Well, howdy tubers. Well, thought I'd come down and see if I could do something today here. Haven't done anything all day, so I thought, well, I'd come down here and see if I can get this apart and debure, and then we'll get her back together and rivet it. So, show you what we got here now. Okay, already took this 12-inch, quarter-inch bit. Use that to debure all these holes, but here's the 1/16 rivet. There's the 1/16 rivet, and there's the 1/16 rivet. So all the way around there, and that holds that in there until I get that on there. And of course, we'll just put that on there, get it clecoed down, and start putting rivets in there. I'll just say this: if Matt would happen to be here, I would say, "Hey, Matt, why don't we just shoot some solid rivets in here?" But since Matt isn't here, and of course then he'd have to be here on the other things too, and shooting solid rivets into that is just not. It's okay if you squeeze them, but you can't. Of course, you can't get in there with any kind of machine to squeeze those. But shooting the rivets with the rivet gun with this thin of metal is kind of a tricky deal. Or I mean, you got to really be careful with it. So anyway, I will see if I can get this together. Spike's outside, supposed to be going potty. Let me see if I can get that little critter in here. Here he comes. He can look at him, just make it right over there. Okay. Well, did you go potty? Did you go potty? Spike? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh, okay. Well, say hi to everybody. Say hi to them. Okay. Okay, let's go get you a treat. We'll go get you a treat. Okay. Okay. We'll get you a treat, and then we'll put this online. There you go, everybody. God bless.